In this video, I will tell you about how to use Google Translator and how to translate any language in your mother tongue. So, first of all, you have to open Google Translate app or Google Translate website in your desktop or Android smartphone or iOS. So, when you will open it, then you will see this interface. If you want to translate any text, just type here. Now you can translate it in your mother tongue like Hindi or other language. So if you want to scan any picture and then translate it, then you have to click on this camera button, and if you want to read any book which is not available in your mother tongue, you have to click this three lines and now go to settings. Now click on tap to translate and now enable it. When you will enable it, I want to translate this line, just choose it and copy. Now tap on this icon, you will see the result. In this video I have tried to tell you about the features of Google Translator and how to use it, how to read any book which is not available your mother tongue in your mother tongue, and how to translate in your mother tongue. If you like this video, press on like button and don't forget to subscribe this channel and press bell icon